City of Rocks National Reserve.
Yeah, City of Rocks National Reserve. We are standing on the literal California Trail right now with our resident friend and expert of the area, Andrew. And this is our fourth and final stop of our Idaho tour, Southern Idaho tour of America's national parks. You ready to get started?
Yep.
Let's go. We'll let Andrew give you a rundown of our day.
Today I think we're going to start off at Camp Rock and Treasure Rock. That's an area where a lot of pioneers on the California Trail put inscriptions on the rocks. You can still see those. Also Register Rock has a bunch of those as well. From there you can head back into the main city. We might head either by Bath Rock, walk around that, or even go back to Parking Lot Rock, and that takes you right through the main section of the city. Hopefully we'll maybe see a lot of climbers back in there today.
Early travelers on the California Trail pass right through the City of Rocks. They describe the place as the Silent City and the Steeple Rocks and the City of Tall Spires. So Shane, it's called a prairie schooner. I stand corrected. And these guys said it was so uncomfortable to ride in that. Not only was it uncomfortable, but all your gear was in there too, right? All your supplies, that you walked. You know how far the journey was? Yeah, you saw the sign, didn't you, huh? About 2,000 miles on foot. Can you imagine that? Our first stop was called Camp Rock. Being a significant landmark on the California Trail with granite spires and monoliths reaching 60 feet tall, emigrants beginning in 1843 would often spend the night here. It's called Camp Rock. So what they would do is they would come up the California Trail, and you can see the overhang right there of the rock. It provided a nice shelter, and they'd camp out here.
Okay.
And before they left, they do what?
They put out the fire.
Yeah, that's pretty good. They put out the fire, and then they do what with probably some of the coal from the fire?
They would sign their names.
Sign their names on the rock. That's right. It's also said they signed their names with axle grease. A little further up the road was Treasure Rock. The location provides some simple and fun rock climbing for all ages. It's a great stop within the park's 14,407 acres. Next was a stop at Register Rock. Like the name indicates, emigrants on the California Trail would register their presence when they arrived at this location. This is interesting. All these inscriptions on the wall. I was told they probably used some kind of axle grease, which allowed it to preserve over time. It dated 1850, so we're going back 170 years or so. But they didn't have any mile markers back then, as we do today, modern navigational aids. These were the mile markers. So when you got to this point on the trail, the goal was to reach this point at a certain point of time, because you had the dreaded Sierra Nevada mountains ahead of you, and you wanted to get to that before the cold weather and the snow set in. So it looks like most of these are dated month-wise June. So maybe that was the expected deadline to get here on your journey from St. Louis out to California. You wanted to get to this point, I'm assuming, by June. Located behind Campsite 37, this short trail leads to the impressive window arch that spans 20 feet. For us, the views on this trail were probably the most spectacular. The coarse granite provided not only a great grip for climbing, but also beautiful contrast with the evergreens scattered throughout the formations, pinyon pines, and Utah junipers. So our next stop is a short little hike to Window Arch. We were fortunate to observe some rock climbers at Parking Lot Rock. City of Rocks is clearly a popular destination for rock climbers. There are reported to be over 1,000 traditional and bolt-protected routes. It's also home to climbing routes for beginners, even to the most technical. Climbers refer to this area simply as the city. You guys were pretty high up there.
I can't believe I made it down.
I can't believe you made it up.
Climbing on rocks is fun.
You're gonna make a 1-hour hike into a 10-hour hike. All right, you ready to keep going? And how about this final stop, known as Bread Loaves? You do these trips, and for me, it's always around this time, around day 8, that your body just runs out of gas. I reached my limits, and we are there, and this stop was no exception. Hope you still enjoyed the video. Apologize, even though it's not my fault, for the smoky air. There's a lot of wildfires that are raging all around this area, and all the smoke, I told, is settling right here in southern Idaho. But still, City of Rocks was an incredible stop. Beautiful place to be, and really nobody around. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, and remember, there's always room for you on every national park adventure.